Suppose if your audio doesn't open on Audacity, then you have installed FFmpeg, so you have edit, then preference, then you have one option like libraries, then here you can see FFmpeg library, then you can download, then you see installing FFmpeg, and then after installing FFmpeg this site will open, then you will click this link installer, and this installer through you can download your Audacity FFmpeg. Here you can see Windows versions, in especially my laptop has Windows 10 64-bit, so I download that file, and this after that download, and that is not so much more. It's approximately, you can see like in Chrome, here is it total in actually 8.2 MB. so after that double click you can license agreement, then next, then this is the folder where Audacity file install, and after installing it easily install, not so much more. So after finish this thing, you quit Audacity, you quit Audacity and reopen Audacity, so that uh, open with installer version successfully. So this time when you open, then that music or audio which is uh, which uh, don't open on Audacity. So this time you can see I have one mp3 folder, then you will see that will open. So these three you can edit. Thank you.